Good morning, everybody. Let's get right to it and discuss today hunt and live streaming for Thursday. Before we go further, guys, as a reminder, we always disclaimer. Of course, we start our disclaimer for today before we start our trades. Remember, guys, our content here is just for educational purposes and will not provide any financial advice. And always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So let's get right to it and start the hunt for today. Who's ready? Who's ready for today? Yeah, we got a major news for Intel, guys. A huge news. Yeah, Intel, huge news with NVIDIA. NVIDIA will provide Intel with custom graphics chip for its processor, potentially boosting Intel consumer market presence. Huge news, guys. Everybody trading Intel now. It will be really great if we have pullback because 31% is too much, man. 31% for today is too much. Yeah, market cap is getting bigger. I think today will be quarter billion. Open is pulling back. ABVO is one of the stocks that we should watch. AI reversing big time. And Open, yes, did really great job reversal. Huge reversal yesterday. And of course, we have a huge flush at the news yesterday, FOMC, a lot of anticipation. So yeah, let's see. Good morning, everybody. Remember, if you just came in for the first time, remember we always go live every day to discuss the market. So hit the notification button and join our Hunter channel. If you don't want to miss out on the update, the daily update. George, good morning. Everything is pumping. We need a pullback. Yes. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yeah, Intel is the one that's pumping. The rest is not pumping. ABLD pumping, but pulling back a bit. Unity pulling back a lot, guys. Unity software officer sells shares. Guys, AMD, we got Unity, a lot of yeah, the selling shares. We have a lot of selling pressure for AMD. So technically, not all the stock jumping. So AMD is 5% down. Plug did a great job of breaking out today. Yeah, yesterday we have the test. We have a huge test for Plug, guys. Yeah, Plug doing all right. Watching this one as well for a pullback. SNAPS. SNPS, yes. It's pulling back. Could be good for a dip. So the main unicorn for today, the only one is ABVO, jumping almost 100%. Yeah, George, it was good to buy before the news. MNDY, yes. I'm gonna put SNPS on the list here. MNDY could be a good way to trade. Let's see, Monday. Yeah. We have, yeah, it could be good for a reversal because it's already started to reverse from the 166. Yeah, it looked really interesting because, yeah, we have a big buyer around this dip. It could be good for reversal, yeah. So MNDY looking great, like SNBS because SNBS reversed after bad earnings. MNDY and SNBS have bad earnings. For SNBS, it pulled back a lot back in the 9th of September. We did like almost 36% down. And now it's pulling back. Yeah. That's why many of you asking about MNDY because MNDY is still down after a huge dump as well. You see, almost 36%, but reverse just 14%. For SNBS, reverse already how much here? 25%. So MNDY looking juicy as well with SNBS. So I'm gonna put them here with INTC. Yeah, could be really good to watch. But I really want a pullback for INTC, guys, for entry because now is overextended. We have a lot of FOMO, a lot of people FOMOing on Intel right now. Because technically it's still undervalued here. Yeah, it was accumulating for a while since last year, guys, August. So almost 1 year. It's been accumulating down. And now finally we have the right news to pump. And now it's pulling back a bit, yes, again. Open, I will watch for a really interesting support for today to hold over the $10. We have a psychological level for open to hold over the $10, everybody. $10, it is the level that we should watch. Let us double check. Yeah. Let's see. AMPX buy now. I will check it out. Yeah. Hopefully this one looking interesting. Let's see. AMPX. Yesterday 13%, now 2%. So technically and not unicorn that much. It pulled back a lot and now it's recovering. Yeah, it's not completely a unicorn. It's not completely unicorn, but yeah, the trend looking pretty nice after the last earnings in August. It looked bullish. Now is around the $10. Watch out for the $8 because if we held, it will be good for $15 at least for AMPX. And I think I'm gonna put it on the waiting list there. Yeah, it's not bad technically. It's kind of reversing. So I'm gonna put it on the other list. CRWV, one of the main stock that we should watch as well, is accumulating below the 125. AI guys preparing for a breakout from the 1770. Looking interesting as well. AI. Wolf, the same, looking interesting for a breakout on the $3. We have a lot of stocks that jumped before and preparing for another jump. As you can see here, guys, Wolf is like a wolf eating the sheep. Look at that. It look really interesting trend here. Yeah, Wolf looking really interesting with ATCH, of course, one of the top gainer yesterday, 87%. It could be a good for another run. But the main unicorn, the new unicorn for today is ABVO. This one, guys, was up before almost 130% jumped, I think, in Tuesday and flushed on the same day, then reversed today. So it's not a new unicorn totally, but now we have a healthy way of recovering. Before it jumped in 10 minutes, I think, 100% in 10 minutes. So that's why it's pulled back a lot. A man, great hunt. Left can go higher also next days. I will check. And LAES. LAES. Yeah, LAES, yeah, did a really great job of reversing here, but is getting near a resistance around the 428. The breakout happened around the 290. Now we have a support around $3.19. Yeah, $3.19 and $2.45 for LAES. So yeah, right now is looking strong after the earnings and kind of recovering from this huge pullback from the 4 until the 2. It's getting near, as we said, the $4.30 below it. I expect a pullback there. And even if we pull back, we should hold the $3.19. ENTB, I don't like it. I took it from the list, man. But I will check it for you right now before the market open. ENTB. ENTB is not there. I think it's been flagged out. Or, yeah, it's not there anymore. I think it's delisted. Left, yes, left, man. It didn't reverse. Yeah, yesterday I was watching left for reversal. It reversed here a bit, then yeah, now it's have a struggle to go up again. Yeah, left's looking interesting for today. Watch out for the support around the 21.95. Left, yeah, it could be really great if we broke the 23.40. It could go toward the 24 and the 26. Yes, exactly, man. Yeah, we have interesting question about Neo. Neo, we have unusual pullback. Yeah, unusual, but the $7 should be support for today. So if we held the $7, it could be good. If we didn't, we're gonna go down more. This is it, straightforward. Lift, I will watch lift as well. And what else? SERV, I will check SERV if it's good or not. 2% up, 3% down yesterday. Yeah, it is on the accumulation zone here. It's still accumulating. Is preparing for something. But I don't like it below the 1428. So we need to break the 1428 to go on the bullish side. For now is accumulating. So ABVO is the only one right now with HDCH. Wolf and AI maybe will be good. Open, INTC pulling back, MNDY, SNBS, left, Neo. Those are stock I'm watching today closely. APLD, the same guys looking really strong. Unity, it might be good for a reversal. I will watch Unity closely because it pulled back a lot. Yeah, 6%. It might be good for a reversal. So I'm watching Unity closely. If we pull back here, let's see, 12%. No. Okay, so yeah, Unity could be good for today as well. Is kind of pulling back before the market open. I'm watching for this dip around the 42. If we dip more, I will watch for the other dip here around the 41, maybe 41.32. Uh, Unity, Tesla pulling back as well. AMD, the same, looking interesting for a reversal as well. Okay, so I'm gonna check. So you have Unity, you have AMD, Unity, AMD, and Mara. Those are the stocks that I'm watching closely, guys, for today for swing trade. Day trade is open, ATCH and ABVO. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. Today it is hot for Intel. Yeah, open, pulling back. Could be good for reversal at the market open if we held the 10. Intel, the same. It's time for a pullback because a lot of traders just trigger profit taker for Intel. That's why it's pulling back a lot. So if we pull back toward the 28.67 would be great. Otherwise, I'm not touching it. MNDY, SNPS, the same, looking interesting here. Let's see. Left, yeah, left looking really interesting with Mara, AMD as well, Unity, AMD. Okay, let's get right to it, guys. Hit the like button on the way in and subscribe to our channel. Remember, we always go live 30 minutes before the market open every day. Let's go. Okay, Intel is pulling back. Left is pulling back. Mara testing the resistance, pulling back. Unity, we have a big buyer for Unity here. Intel going down, breaking the first support. I will watch for this support right now around the 29 and 28. Open, testing the support. Currently not bad, still over the 10. If we pull back, we might pull back toward the 925 this time. ABVO pulling back as well. Lift, nothing. Neo still holding. Mara didn't break. Okay. Unity didn't break the 44. Yeah, we need to break the 44 to go up for Unity. Yeah, yeah. Intel guys could be really good for a dip right now. Intel could be really juicy for a dip. Might open an order around the 29.39. Hit the like button on the way in, guys. Yeah, Intel could be good around this dip. I'm watching for this dip around the 29.39, 28.67. We expect a reversal there. Open reverse big time from the support. Uh-oh, Neo is moving. SNPS broke the support. It's going down. Unity trying to break here. Yeah, I'm watching Unity as well, guys, for breakout. Yeah, Unity could be good for a reversal. Didn't break yet. Wow, we have a really good support here around the 42. Didn't break yet. Neo pulling back, left pulling back, Intel, nothing. Open, still nothing. We don't have a confidence in the market, guys. Still, we don't have confidence. AMD currently holding. Let's see. Okay, still waiting for Unity to break from this resistance. 44.10. You know what? I'm gonna put alert just in case for Intel around this level and just forget about it. And go to Unity and instead. Yeah, Unity trying so hard to reverse here. We have 20 seconds to confirm the breakout. 10 seconds. We don't break yet. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We didn't close. Okay, still not ready. Left, pull back again toward the support. Open, nice reversal. Unity trying this time. I think we have a breakout. Yeah, for Unity. Unity is reversing now. Deleting the stock that don't look good. We have a lot of them. Wolf is going down. Unity is continue the pump. Okay, cryptos pulling back up this time. We have a really good reversal. Unity is still charging up. Really good reversal from the 42.69. AMD still holding the support. Right pulling back, Mara pulling back. Plug is correcting down. INTC, Intel is pulling back. Still waiting for a dip for entry. I think the best trade for today to watch is Intel pullback, guys. And Unity recovery, of course. Good morning, everybody. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Are we gonna have a good reversal for Unity? So far, so good. Yeah, to reverse. It's gonna go toward the green side. 44, 45, 14. Let's see. What the hell is going on? Anyway, so MNDY, nope. Neo is pulling back. Mara pulling back. Left pulling back. Intel, guys, watching Intel closely. Watching Intel closely for a pullback entry. Let's go. Let's hunt. Let's hunt for this one. It's getting near our dip, guys. It's getting near the dip that we're waiting for. 5% would be great. Another 5% dip for Intel would be perfect. Perfect. Left the same. I will watch for an entry here, maybe, if we held. Really good correction. Let's see your question here. To Turbo, AERT, AERT squeezing. Um, let's see. His chat is not updating. What you mean? Open, looking, pop up. Okay, can you check core wave? Put the ticker symbol, brother. Make it easier for me to check your stocks. AERT. We got ORVS, TURB, AMD is moving. Yeah, AMD is moving slowly. Open. ATCH pulling back down. Let us check those stocks. ORBS, light on volume, and I don't like it. AERT, yes, looking fantastic here. If it held the 80 cent would be great. Now found the resistance around the 119. The other resistance is the 139 and maybe the 161. Yeah, looking great. AERT, I will keep it here, brother. Looking perfect. Open, still holding the support. INTC, still waiting for another pullback down. AMD is still hesitant to go higher. Tesla the same. Unity the same. APLD. Yeah, the market is a bit undecided, guys. We don't have a big buyer. You see, even Neo didn't move. AMD reversed a little bit and now pulling back down. So AART and ABVO are the top unicorn for today. Let us check the other stocks for today. Okay, ETNB guys, 85% got shorted around the 1530. PBM reverse, but I don't like it. LA is E kind of undecided as well, 30%. Orbs is jumping up. INTC is still waiting for another pullback down. Anyway, so man, yeah, I'm still waiting for this one, man. Another correction. Yeah, it need to be 20%. It was too much overextended, guys. Too much overextended for me to enter on this one. But if it's pulled back more, I might enter. So waiting. AMD, MNDY. Yeah, MNDY is moving slowly up. Neo is moving down. Left. Left, I think we might consolidate here for a while, but currently holding a strong support over the 2196, which is not bad. Yeah, it's Tesla swing trade, but it did the huge move, man. So now it's consolidating. Yeah, maybe we could risk on lift here. It looked really interesting lift around this, yeah, around this level. Yeah, if it held, it might reverse here. I will watch for a reversal. Interesting. Lift looking for a lift off. Interesting. You know the yeah, AART is moving. The one thing that I really don't like is the stocks that don't go to my support. Like for example, this one guys jumped on the news for Intel. I'm waiting for a pullback toward the 29 or 28 for entry, but it didn't go yet. And the worst case scenario is the price never go there and continue to go up and never test my entry zone. It's kind of waiting for a meal, and yeah, the meal will never come. You'll be hungry waiting in a restaurant, imagine. And the restaurant is closed. They tell you okay to leave because there is no food for you. This is the worst, man. It is worse than FOMO. It was like, yeah, you're gonna be FOMO. So yeah, hopefully INTC didn't do that. But yeah, I will never be surprised if something happened like this. Always anticipate for the worst. AMD started to reverse from the supports. I was wishing for more dip, man, for AMD, for better entry. Coinbase reversing a bit. Yeah, the market might give us some trap, bull trap. Yes, kind of going up a little bit, then it's gonna go down more. Yeah, left is lifting off. Yeah, left's not bad, guys, here. I will put alert for it just in case if we pull back down below the 2188. But for now, it looked really good for a reversal. AART, guys, testing the breakout. It might go toward the critical zone right now, toward the $1.36. AART is the strongest for today, guys. The rest is weak, for my opinion. The only unicorn that looks strong is AERT. ABVO is a bit weak because got shorted again around 277 at the market open. Open is holding really tremendously over the 998 or the $10, which is psychological level, until reversing a bit before our support. Left is started to reverse up, guys. Watch out. Left looking really juicy here. If we held the 2191 would be great. Mara reversing up, Neo reversing up, AMD reversing up as well. Snap, please. All are okay. The market will dip next week, even with the rate cut. SES. Snap. I will check Snap for you, man. Wow, Snap, yeah, doing all right, man. $8.46 is have a really good breakout from the 792, but it's getting near a resistance right now around the $8.55 and almost the $9. Yeah, Snap looking great. Thank you for the reminder. Yeah, I think we have a really good bottom around the 763. Yeah, 763 should be a really good bottom. Yearly bottom. Yeah, this is the support 764. Yes, now I'm gonna keep it on the main list here because look really good for recovery. Lift is lifting off, is going up again. INTC is still waiting for another dip down. The dip it might come at any moment. AERT didn't break. SES and AI. AI, I took it from the list here. Yeah, AI is blasting exactly, breaking the 1770s, going toward the 1822. And SES is 15%, but lights on volume is jumping. Uh, it's really risky for trade. But yeah, it's breaking out. It's going toward around 170 and $2.11 and maybe 273. Of course, if we hold the support over the 122 would be great for SES. So I'm gonna keep it on the other list. Okay, we got another question. ORBS, OR, ORBS, what's going on with this one, everybody? ORBS, I think, yeah, is pulling back a lot now. It's not good. It got shorted around the 1439. Now it has support around the 1223 and profit taken around the 1548 if it broke the 1439. Lift is still struggling here for a recovery up toward the 2340. Lifts, what's gonna happen with lifts? Yeah, it's pulling back now, pulling back a lot. Okay, I think it's a bit risky right now for lift. Yeah, risky business. Yeah, AART is trying to break. Exactly, there's plenty fish in the ocean. ORBS is not on my list. ORBS. Yeah, I took it from the list. Yeah, I took it from the list. We have a support around the 12.23, resistance 14.39, profit 15.48, but I don't like it that much. That's why I took it from the list. I kept AART and maybe ABVO. Left, still waiting for a reversal. Left, guys, 21.91, guys. If we held, we might have a huge reversal for today. AMD started to reverse, now looking all right. AI looking great, guys. Yeah, AI, one of the nicest one for today. Surprise, a good surprise. Unity, what a huge reversal. I didn't expect this reversal to happen like this. Interesting. Unity. Wow. Okay, let us do a very quick check for the stock that been halted to see. Lower on RGTI. RGTI, let me just check this one. 7%. Nope, I don't like it. The LAWR. I don't like it as well. Anyway, guys, we got to wrap up our live streaming for now. We're going to discuss the market in depth later on to discuss mini stocks and update the levels for, of course, Intel and the other stocks. And of course, going back to do another live streaming as usual tomorrow before the market open by 30 minutes. And of course, on our Discord and Patreon. For now, let us just do SES. I don't like it, man. As I said, it's not good. It's really risky jumping on light volume here. It might get shorted at any time. So the 170 is not current strong resistance. It might get shorted before it. Just watch out for the support around the 122. As long as we hold here, will be great. But the current resistance is not that clear. That's why I don't like it that much. And moving really on light volume. Anyway, so great hunt for everybody. Thank you for watching. And of course, see you back on Discord because we're not finishing the hunt. As you can see here, we do many updates for our hunters. Yesterday, we did MLGO and other stocks like even open. We did a nice trade for it. We said the profit taken around the 1050. So the link comment section below, guys, if you want to join our Hunters channel to continue the trades with us because the market is still open and there's a huge chance for hunting and catching other trades. Thank you for watching and see you all by tomorrow, Friday, to continue the hunt for another live stream, of course.